William, I need some more soil on this side over here. What's your name? Johnny, and Owen, bring over here.
We are at Mantua Elementary and we are having an incredible Arbor Day celebration. Arbor Day is a celebration of the importance of trees, their beauty, and the incredible benefits that they bring to our environment as well as to the people. We had a ceremony with many dignitaries from around the county and FCPS.
You've heard a lot about why the trees are so important, and as a former Rocky Raccoon Mantua student, I can tell you that I have a little baby now, and every time I bring her to the playground, we go and look at the tree that I planted 5 years ago with Miss Sullivan and her team. And so I hope that you get excited about planting today.
We have an incredible group of students here, second graders and fifth graders, who are planting and having a great time. So the three parts of this process: we start in the classroom and we talk to the kids about trees between Earth Day and Arbor Day. Then they come out today, they get their hands in that dirt, they're shoveling, they're loving it, and they'll help the forester plant the tree, cover it with hardwood, mulch, and then the key thing after today is that the kids come back out and take care of the trees. The biggest part is watering. The first few months after you plant a tree, it's essential that they get as much water as possible. Today's takeaways for the students: one is just how important trees are to people, to the environment. In so many ways, we want them to be the champions of the trees and planting in their own yards. And the other takeaway, regardless of whether it's trees or other aspects of life where they can make the world better, is that one person can have an idea and spark something, and a team of people, a school, can just do incredible work in making a change.
There you go.